Wondering how to get fish or urine smell out of clothes? Learn how to remove fish and urine smell from your clothes with these tips. Whether you spent the weekend fishing or noticed a bad smell and a urine stain on your clothes, dealing with smelly clothing can be a challenge. A urinary tract infection or incontinence can leave urine stains on your favorite clothes. It can leave behind an unpleasant odor even after washing with laundry detergent. Washing your clothes with laundry detergent may not be enough to remove the smell. You may need to use a stronger cleaning solution, such as vinegar or baking soda, to remove the odor. Using the vinegar method to remove urine smell is very simple. It's safe for sensitive skin and can be used with cold water or hot water. Vinegar is a natural deodorizer and can be used to remove fish smell from clothes. To use a vinegar solution, add 1 cup of vinegar to a bucket of water. Soak your smelly clothes in the mixture for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your clothes as usual with laundry detergent. Baking soda is another natural deodorizer that can be used to remove urine stains from clothes. To use a baking soda solution, add 1 cup of baking soda to a bucket of water. Soak your smelly clothes in the mixture for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your clothes as usual with laundry detergent. You can also make a baking soda paste by mixing half a cup of baking soda with cool water. Rub the paste into the smelly areas of your clothes, then wash as usual in the washing machine. Either baking soda method should work to remove odor from urine-stained clothes. To get urine smell out of clothes, the most effective laundry detergent is an enzymatic detergent. These laundry soaps contain enzymes to break down stains. It works very well to remove urine smell caused by uric acid. They are primarily used for cleaning up bloodstains. Most enzyme-based clothes care products are labeled as such. They will work on human urine smell as well as pet stains and other protein-based stains. Check out the blog post for more tips and my favorite enzymatic detergent.